Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing well. I ended my final weekend before work chilling. My friend and I decided to play virtual code names with our significant others and it was really fun.
Everything that does not go with anything. It'd be like elephant, dream, polo. Joey, is anything I'm saying really sparking you?
Lucky cat. I think either that one looks good, right?
Because right now we're at Llwh.
Lush.
I had a quick errand to run in the city and decided to stop by Llwh to pick up some bath bombs for some future much needed post-work relaxing.
I think we should get... This one's so funny. The golden egg looks really nice too. I think I might get this one. Well, I was gonna get a butterball. Yeah. Oh my god. Meat Max.
We also stopped by Starbucks and it's been so long since I've gotten this strawberry acai refresher and it was so good. On Sunday, it was the All-Star game and Eric has been talking about it for a while, so we decided to watch it. This is a 3-point challenge final and Steph Curry ended up winning. I started the morning strong with some bread and brie. It was mainly orientation day, so there wasn't much going on.
Quando você chama meu nome, eu vou te ouvir, fala no meu coração. Quando você chama meu nome, eu vou te ouvir.
I thought it'd be nice to celebrate my first day, so I stuck a candle into an egg tart. I was having some computer issues and ended up having to go to the office. It was the first time I'd seen it and it was a lot nicer than I expected. I will admit they have some interesting rooms, like this one looks like a mini dance studio. With the weather getting nicer, I've been using any excuse to get some fresh air. I recently got my hands on a nuface, which is a toning device that uses microcurrent technology to tighten, contour, and improve fine lines and wrinkles. My friend Gabby told me about it and it sounded so cool, so I thought I would try it and see if it would do anything. I apologize in advance for my very lifeless face I couldn't really see with my glasses off. After doing a bit of research, I opted to purchase an aloe vera gel instead of the brand's priming gel. If you decide to get this, I would say use your best judgment. You should do this routine 3 times on each side every day, and soon enough the results should last longer in between sessions. This is only my second time using it, but I already love it. After each side, you can really tell the difference. I don't know if you guys can see the difference on the right side, but you can tell that my cheeks are depuffed a bit and have a little bit more of a contour. Even the end of my eye is a little bit more lifted. I feel so spoiled when I do this, and it's such a nice way to mellow down after work and get me in the mood to work out. Eric let me paint his nails and they came out so cute. I decided to go for a variety of designs since it would be less noticeable if they chipped. I've been trying to wake up earlier and be productive before work. I'll always make my coffee, and then if I'm hungry, I'll eat a good breakfast. Can we all just take a moment to appreciate this egg? It is so orange and beautiful.
Baby, you've been racing through my mind.
I made myself a ricotta toast with some jalapeno sauce and egg, and then topped it off with red chili flakes and salt and pepper.
Many pretty faces, you're the only one we're chasing. Think I may be falling in love. I've been getting into you. Usually feelings like this take a minute or two, and I've been staying up to 3. Thinking about you got me losing my sanity, and I really love the way we blend. And I'm trying to play it cool, but I just can't pretend. Cause usually we start as friends, but we're skipping the beginning, never getting to end. Cause you need me, and I need you tonight.
It was so good, I just can't wait to eat this again.
Oh, so baby, don't be late to this flight. Ooh, we child, don't you know that we gon' be alright? Cause baby, you've been racing through my mind. Made it there in record time. I've seen many pretty faces. You're the only one we're chasing. Think I may be falling in love. Girl, I just
For lunch, I made a wellness bowl.
So yummy oyster mushrooms, chicken, tomato. I would have put red onion, but we don't have red onion. Spring mix, and then cauliflower rice with chia seeds, quinoa, and rice, regular rice. Yummy.
baby, you've been racing through my mind.
Henry decided to help me out with some work, but he's not very good.
I've seen many pretty faces. You're the only one we're chasing. Think I may be falling.
So of course, he ended up just taking a nap on the bed.
Think I may be falling in love. Think I may be
I will see you guys next time. Bye!